Hi guys, welcome back. So this is where we left on in the last video. So in this one we're gonna make it look a little bit more prettier. So maybe what I'm gonna do is make them a little bit more smaller. Okay. So what you can do is first of all create a box for them. So I'm gonna go into shapes. Put that part up. Then go to format. Go to send backward. Go to send back. That will send it back. Format. And I want its color to be say white. Yep, that looks better. Okay, it's covering it up. Let's put it a little bit inside. Shorter. Okay, now we need to give it a heading. So we again can go to inserts, go to button, say blank button. That's a little bit thick, and I think it's gonna be a problem doing that via mouse. I'm gonna go to properties, say size, we'll use from 32 to 25. 25 seems good. Or maybe smaller. Yep, 21. Again, I don't like the border for it, but yeah, I want the background too, so keep that background. Okay, so we'll go in and add something into it. So under styles, we want text. So again, what we're saying segments by discount, band, and sales, or we can say sales versus discount by segments and discount band. Give it the right color. So for the journal purposes, I think it's okay, but however, I don't think this visualization contains that much information. Anyways, we're just gonna go here. I'm just gonna remove the y-axis segment here. I think that's pretty clear. So go to y-axis, to title, just turn that off. You can see it's a little bit extended as well, so let's do that. So it's good. So okay, I don't think the segments that got removed. Oh, it's removed the sales by I meant to remove the x-axis, not y. I usually do that mistake. Okay. I think it looks better now. So we'll come back to that when we have our page ready. This one I really like. This one is kind of okay. Okay, so what other information, if I was you or a user, want to look from a business perspective? So there's sale price, the cross sale. It's good. We have already used the date information to show how it works. We can show the gross sale. Sale price. That's really weird. Like sale price is not divided. Okay, since it's like the product, I think every country and segments have the same price setup, so they're not using it differently. That's good. I wish that's how the world works. Okay, moving on. Maybe we can go back and see if we can find something related, like a 3D graph. Let's find that. So what you can do is click on 3 dots, get more visuals, search, maybe 3D map. Okay, yep. Oh, this I really like. I just wish it's free. I'm gonna remove these. It takes location, so let's do the country. That's not bad. But okay, what's the bar height for it? To sales. I don't know if it got implemented or not. It seems nearly the same without heat intensity. Not much difference. I liked it, but I don't think it's giving me the right information. Maybe I will go. I think I will go with something more simpler. Maybe the first map wasn't bad. I think that wasn't showing us the right amount. So as we saw, like if we add, so we can add that in a tooltip, but it won't give us the right information. So, yeah. Okay, what about I put the ones? Wow, a product here. What would that give me? Do you guys see any difference? I see all of us blue, so yep, not much of a difference. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty hard to read for anyone, and I can allow the map to like cover all of the area, so I'm just gonna remove it. Maybe put simply into a donut chart, country. Let's do it by country. Let's do it by sales. Sometimes it's good to have just direct information in front of you. I think that's good. Yep. I think that gives a good estimate. What I'm thinking is, let's provide it by some other things as well. How about we create 3 of the same kind, like just with a different things. Okay, let's remove the country here, add segment, and for this one, remove country, let's add a product. Next thing I want to do is make them look a little bit much better, so starting with legend, I want them on the top center. Okay, that looks better. So again, I don't want the title here. Okay, let's go one by one. I think this size is good. It's giving me a little bit problem with USA, that's been cut out. But again, I want all of them to have the same size. So we need to take care of that as well. Bring this one down. Okay, that's giving me good information. However, I'm feeling the legends are being cut off. How would I reduce the size of the legend? I think those are pretty large anyways. So what I'm going to do is go into text. I don't need 10. I'll put them 8. I think I clicked on something. That's fine. So let's put it here. Right. So whenever you want to give them the same size, I think it's better to like select all of them. Go into general. Go into property. Go into hide. I'll say 270. Oh. Like that. I don't know why it's not allowing me to. I'll allow this. 270, height is good. Width 320. Okay, 320 looks good. Now, what I'm seeing is there's a lot of information. Do I really want all of them? I think I'm just good with the values. So what I'm going to do is go to find the, I think it's data labels. I just need to see where that is. We have slices, we have spacing. I think that's good as well. Okay, detail labels. Outside, and what do you want to show? So I just want to show data values. So just click on that. Oh, that makes it a little bit more clear. Oh, they're moving. the other side now. Okay, this looks good. Oh, but this one looks like the name got cut off, so I don't want to do that. Let's see. Okay, I can get. I think this is good. It's okay. Like this one's gonna be a little bit larger, but this is at the center, so I think it's gonna be okay. So now we have 3 circles that shows us divided by country, segments, and product. Okay, that's good. What I'm gonna do is I can select 3 of them. I want the title. Good. So since they're gonna have a different title, I'm not gonna add the title here, but change the other things, so I don't need to change them one by one. So I want this. I want it at 12. I want text color as white. I want the background as blue, and I want them in the center. This seems good. Next thing I want is to provide them with the borders, so it's easier to like see them separately. So this will be your border. Now another thing what you can do is, as you can see, like this is close to here. So I don't want to do that manually, like go from what the x-axis should be, what the y-axis should be. What I can do is go to the format, click align, say align horizontally. So when I have all of these 3 selected, it's gonna automatically like align them equal spacing. I think this looks good, but I think what I'm having problem is with the border. It's a little bit difficult now. So what I'll do is remove the borders. I know, I just added them. I'm a fool, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, as we did in the previous one, click a shape. Since they provide a nearly similar data, I want to group them all together. Style, color white, go into format, send to back. Okay. This time I think I'm going to keep like different headings for them, since they're going to be different ones. Or how about I do like sales, but I add the legends in the center. I think that's gonna look good. So let's remove the title here. So for this one, I again need a button. I'm gonna add it right here. I'm gonna copy paste, make 2 more of these. Select all 3 of them. Go to styles, say yep, text should be on. What color? I think I want black. I'm good with that. I don't need border, I don't need icon. So I can start typing now. So let's go to the first one. That is products. Okay, let's reduce its size from the side. Okay, that gives us a good one. This is segments. Last one, country. Okay, that looks good. The last thing I want is to give the whole a title. So just gonna go into button, add a blank button again, put in the top, go into styles, text on, save or summer sale. Font I want is yellow, white. Since I'm gonna fill it with like the background as our color, our favorite blue color, so I want the transparency. So this is what it's gonna show us. I think it's pretty clean, it's understandable, and it gives us a good data. So we're gonna catch back in our next video, which we're gonna start right from here. Thanks guys.